In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your next.js apps using Firebase. We'll walk through setting up Firebase authentication in the console so your next.js app can securely sign users in. This is the foundation. Once providers are enabled here, your front end can use the Firebase SDK to handle sign in and sign out without building auth from scratch. Start by opening the Firebase console and selecting your project. On the left sidebar, open the Build section. This is where Firebase groups products you'll use in your app's core experience. From there, choose Authentication to access the dashboard that manages users, providers, and security options. Head into the Sign In Method tab. This is the control center for which ways users can log in. You'll see two broad areas, native providers and additional providers. Native providers include email, password, and phone. Enabling email password is great for straightforward accounts. You can also turn on email link sign-in if you want a passwordless flow. For phone, remember it relies on SMS, so plan for verification and consider using test phone numbers during development to avoid unexpected charges. Additional providers let users sign in with existing accounts. Common choices are Google and Facebook. For Google, open the provider, enable it, and confirm the required details, such as a public-facing support email and authorized domains. This keeps your OAuth flow trusted and secure. For Facebook, enable the provider and supply your app ID and app secret from the Facebook developer dashboard. Make sure your OAuth redirect URIs match exactly, or the sign-in flow will be blocked. A helpful tip: enable only what you intend to support in your UI to reduce confusion and keep your login experience clean. Next, review the advanced settings within authentication. Here you can fine-tune behavior such as session handling, user account protection options, and domain-level controls. Take a moment to ensure your app's domains are listed as authorized, and consider tightening any policies that don't match your security posture. It's also a good place to preview any templates or messages users might see during auth flows. If you want stronger security, enable SMS-based multi-factor authentication. This adds a second verification step for users and significantly reduces account takeover risk. During development, use test phone numbers so you can validate the flow without sending real SMS. Note that some MFA features may require billing to be enabled in your Firebase project. Once your chosen providers are enabled and saved, your Firebase project is ready for your next.js app to connect. In your app, you'll reference these providers to trigger sign-in flows. That's it, your authentication backbone is configured and ready to power a secure, modern login experience.